Hey there, foodies and entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into a fascinating trend that's been sweeping across the Netherlands, and it's all about the rise of home-based catering businesses. But here's the catch. There's a hidden danger lurking in this culinary revolution. Imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok, and suddenly you're inspired to start your own small catering business from home. It's an exciting idea, right? Well, it's a trend that's gaining momentum, with more and more people embracing their inner chef and turning their passion into a business. However, here's where things get interesting and a little bit worrying. According to the Netherlands Food and Consumer Product Safety Authority, NVWA, and the Dutch Chamber of Commerce, a whopping 9 out of 10 of these new home caterers are unaware of the rules for selling food. That's a staggering statistic. Gerdine Anouars, an advisor at the Chamber of Commerce, sheds some light on this trend. She says, "You can start small from home without major investments. Consumers love the idea of local homemade food. But here's the crucial part. Some of these home caterers are unknowingly putting themselves and their customers at risk due to a lack of knowledge about food safety regulations. You see, there's a whole set of rules that come into play when you're preparing, processing, or selling food. The HACCP Food Safety Plan is a hygiene code that ensures safe food handling practices. It's not just a suggestion. It's a requirement for anyone in the food business. And let's not forget about the need to register with the NVWA. These regulations are in place for a reason, and they're there to protect both the business owners and their customers. The NVWA and Chamber of Commerce have even released a video to educate these home caterers about the rules and the potential consequences of non-compliance. They're not messing around. Violations can lead to serious food safety risks, customer illnesses, and even reputational damage. Fines and warnings are also on the table. Now let's talk numbers. The growth of these home-based catering businesses is impressive. In just 3 years, the number of part-time home cooks selling their food has almost doubled, going from 4,322 to 8,053. And the fully self-employed home caterers? Their numbers have skyrocketed too, from 11,008 to 16,839 over the same period. So what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a fantastic trend that encourages creativity and entrepreneurship. But it also highlights the importance of education and awareness. These home caterers need to know the rules, not just for their own protection but also for the safety of their customers. In my opinion, this trend is a perfect example of how passion and creativity can thrive, but only when coupled with responsibility and knowledge. It's a delicate balance, and one that these new entrepreneurs need to navigate carefully. So the next time you see a delicious-looking dish on TikTok, remember the story behind it. It's a story of passion, but also of potential pitfalls. And that's what makes this trend so fascinating and thought-provoking. Until next time, keep cooking, keep learning, and stay safe out there, foodies.